I got this feeling inside my brains. It goes electric wavy when I make them A's. All through 4th grade, all through my school, we're flying up no ceiling when we're in our zone. I've got that sunshine in my pocket, looking forward to a good day. I feel I can do everything when I try. I can't stop myself from learning, moving up academically. We'll unlock the way we rock it, so don't stop.
Alright, hello students, hello everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful day today, and if you are not, change that frown upside down and let's get started with some multiplication to two digits. So the last thing we did was the lattice method, okay? Oops, my TikTok blew off. Okay, there we go. Alright, so the last thing we did was the lattice method, okay? The next method that we're going to do is called the area model, okay? This one's a little bit tricky because the way I'm gonna show you is not always the way that they present it on paper, on somewhere, okay? On a quiz or test. But don't worry, we're gonna get you there as quickly as possible so that way you can get it, okay? Let's get started. So the method 3 is called area model, and we're gonna do same digits, same factors. Ooh, love that vocabulary. Same factors, which is what? What are my factors? 27 and 18. Perfect. Which is what's my product? What's my product? 486. Yes. Okay, perfect. Now, with area model, we want to decompose each digit to its value, okay? With the lattice method, we decompose each number to a single digit. With the area model, we need to decompose each digit to its value, okay? So let's go ahead and look at the first one, 27. Now, when I decompose it to each value, okay? What is the value of 2? What is this value of the 2? Value, not place value, value. Good, 20. Now what is the value of the 7? Good, 7. Okay, now let's do 18. What is the value of the 1? Good, 10. Now what is the value of the 8? Perfect, 8. Okay. Now that we decompose each digit to its value, now we can begin, okay? So I'm gonna draw a rectangular box. Actually, I'm gonna erase it and just move it down just a little bit. Okay. And now the way I'm gonna split it, because I know I'm dealing with bigger numbers on the left side, so I'm just gonna draw a line right here, okay? Because I know on the left side, okay, my numbers are going to be bigger. But you can do it evenly if you want. It's totally up to you. But we just want to make this like a true area model, okay? And then I'm just going to split it in half. Alright? Now I can put my numbers, right? 20 and 7. Okay, let that pop up. Good. Line, there we go. And then I got 10 and 8. Okay? So, now that we can see visually why I was talking about my left side being bigger is because of that numbers. Alright, so let's go ahead and work with the first box, which is this, okay? Which I know that the two numbers touching are going to be 10 and 20, so 10 times 20, what is that? 10 times 20. Power of 10, okay? 2 and 0, and then all I gotta do is just add that other 0. Good! Power of 10. See how quickly you can multiply with power of 10? Next one. Okay, I'm gonna do this box next. Okay, 10 times 7. What is that? Power of 10, quickly. 1 times 7 is 7. Add my 0, 70. Perfect. Let it, come on, computer. There we go. Okay. Oh, I deleted my box. Perfect. Next one. Okay. So what two numbers am I multiplying? 20 times 8. Ooh, that one's kind of hard. But guess what? 20 is a power of 10. Okay. What is 2 times 8? 16. Good. And then all I gotta do is add in that 0. Look at that. Power of 10. Yes. Perfect. Okay. Just erase that. Next box. Okay. 7 times 8. What is that? Come on. Multiplications. 7 times 8. 56. Good. Thank you. Okay. Bam. We filled in all our numbers. Alright. Now that we filled in all our numbers, now all we gotta do is add up all these numbers. Okay. So I'm gonna add 200 plus 160 plus 70 plus 56. Okay. Now I know I told you not to add up a lot of numbers like this. Okay. But, and you can do like 200 plus 160 plus 70 plus 56 and then add up those products. I mean, not products. Sorry, wrong vocabulary. Add up the answers. But I'm gonna show you how I do it, okay? So that way you can do it too. But just make sure you don't make a mistake and slow down. Okay, slow down. You got plenty of time to do this, okay? All right, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6. What is that? 6. Thank ya. 0 plus 6. What is that? 6. Good. Now plus 7. 13. Good. Okay. 13 plus 5. What is that? Use your fingers if you need to. I don't care. Get that answer. Do whatever you need to do to get that answer, okay? 13 plus 5. What is that? 18. Good. Stop. Can 2 digits go in one place value? No, sorry. So we're going to put that 8 right there, and then we're going to bring that 1 over and give it to our neighbor, okay? So now 1 plus 2 is what? 3. Good. Plus 1? 4. What's my product? 486. Is that our answer? Yes, it is. Good job. That's area model. We're going to go down to partial products. This is the next method. Ooh, how am I doing on time? Oh, I got a few minutes left. All right, come on. All right, next, called partial products. This is actually a really good one, okay? So this is one of my favorite ones. All right, so let's do this, okay? So we're going to switch it up, and we're going to do 46 times 27, okay? Those are my factors, and we need to get whatever product I get, okay? So with this one, we're going to line up the numbers just like this, okay? What you're going to do now is multiply each digit to its value, okay? You're going to multiply each value by its value, okay? So what do I mean by that? Let's see, okay? So this is gonna be called the help box. Okay, this is where you're gonna do all your work on the side, okay? Let me just move this to the side a little bit. Alright, partial products. Alright, let's go. So what you're gonna do is multiply 4 times 6, or the value of 4, which is 4, times the value of 6, which is 6, okay? Because those numbers are in the ones place. They already are the value, okay? What's 4 times 6? 24, good, okay? Now, I'm gonna multiply the value of 4 times the value of this 4, okay? What's the value of the second 4? What is that? Value. 40, good, okay? Oh, big number, but guess what? We know power of 10, all right? 4 times 4 is what? 16, good. Now, all I gotta do is just add in that 0. Boom, power of 10. You could do huge numbers now, okay? Show off. Tell your grown-ups, guess what? I could do huge numbers, can you? And they're gonna be like yeah, okay? All right, next one. Now we're gonna do the value of the 2 times the value of the 6, Okay, what's the value of this 2? Value 20. Good. All right. 20 times the value of the 6, which already is 6. Good. Big numbers, big numbers. Guess what? Power of 10. Okay, power of 10. 2 times 6 is what? Good, 12. And then add in that 0 because of power of 10. Okay, bam. All right, last one. What is the value of the 2 times the value of this 4? What's the value of this 2? 20. Good. Times the value of the 4? 40. Good. Huge numbers. Guess what? We know the power of 10. Power of 10, okay? 2 times 4 is what? 8. Good. Now, how many zeros am I adding? Count with me. 1, 2. So, how many zeros am I going to add? 2. Dose. Good job. Okay? All right. Guess what? All you got to do now is just add up these products. Add up these products, okay? All right. So, I'm going to do my biggest number on top first, okay? 800 plus 160 plus 120 plus 24. Okay. All right. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4. 4. Good. 0 plus 6. 6. Good. Plus 2. 8. Good. 8 plus 2. 10. Good. But can 2 digits go in one place value? No. Good. We're going to leave that 0 there, and we're going to add that 1 to our neighbor. Good. 1 plus 8. 9. Good. Plus 1. 10. Good. Plus 1. Good. 11. So our product is what? 1,104. Good job. Let me, you know what? Let me check. Let me see if we did this correct. We did. We have 104. Perfect. All right, partial products. Last one is called standard equation. How much time I have left? How much time? Oh no, I'm at 11 minutes. All right, I gotta hurry up. Because I know these videos are boring you. All right, standard equation. All right, so what does standard equation mean? Standard equation means this is like the most common way we multiply. I learned how to do this when I was little. I didn't learn the other methods, okay? All right, so I didn't learn the other ways how to do it, but I learned how to do it like this, like, you know, the most common way. But the other ways show you why does this work, okay? Standards 1, 2, 3, methods 1, 2, 3, and 4 help you to realize why does a standard equation work, okay? The standard equation, you could do it fast, you could do it easily, okay? But we need to understand, why does the multiplication work? Why is it that we're adding that 0 that you always hear of, okay? This is why. We learned it because of the values, because of place value, okay? You were learning why multiplication works without even knowing, okay? That's why. All right, so we're gonna do 27 times 18. And this is the common way we do this. I'm not gonna say the normal way because there's no such thing as the normal way. There's a most common way. Yes, we all learn how to do this like this, but this is not the normal way to multiply, okay? There's many ways to multiply, okay? So I'm not gonna say the normal way because there's no normal way, okay? But this is the most common way we do this, all right? So the first thing that you do is just multiply 8 times 7, okay? And you don't have to do this work on the side, but it's just showing you what I'm doing, okay? So 8 times 7, what is 8 times 7? 56, good, okay? So I'm gonna write, so same way like adding and subtracting, 2 digits cannot be in one place value. So I'm gonna leave the 6 here and then add the 5 up there, okay? So now I'm gonna multiply 8 times 2. Okay. 8 times 2. 8 times 2 is what? 16. Good. But now plus 5. Plus 5 equals what? 21. Good. Okay. 21. Okay. Alright. So now we always add a 0 down here. But now you know why? Because we're multiplying by the values, okay? In the other methods, we don't have to do that because we already are. But in the standard way, you always add that 0, okay? So don't forget the 0. That 0 is super important because if you don't, it messes up all the place values, okay? Because now we're multiplying by the tens. Alright, so next one is we're multiplying 1 times 7. Okay, so 1 times 7 is what? 7, good. So now I'm gonna add that there. So now I'm gonna multiply 1 times 2 is what? 2, good. Okay, and the last thing we do is just add up all the numbers. Okay, so 6 plus 0, 6. Oh, that's too big. Just squish that down. 6. 1 plus 7 is what? 8, good. And 2 plus 2? 4. So my product is what? 486. Good, okay? So with this one, you're not multiplying by the values, you're just multiplying straight, basically like up and down and across. The only thing is that you need to add that 0 because if you don't, then it messes up everything, okay? And that's how you do standard equation. It's simpler, it's easy if you remember the rules, okay? But if you like the other ways, you do you, boo. You do you, okay? That is it for today. I hope you learned a lot. I know it's a lot of videos, trust me, I know. But guess what? You're learning a lot and I am so proud of you, okay? I'm so proud of you. Keep on learning, okay? Keep on learning. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.